Hello guys, we're talking about some wind advisories. A wind advisory was just issued to near Terre Haute, Indiana, for the threat of gusty winds. That does not mean high gusty winds are imminent. Gusty winds are very possible. That's why we're talking about some wind advisories before I go. Step 1, take wind advisory seriously. Number 2, you do not know what you don't know if a wind advisory will get issued, and then get upgraded to a high wind watch or a high wind warning. Step 3, secure objects if a high wind watch and a high wind warning is issued, or a wind advisory. And the final step is take high wind watch and high wind warning seriously. Bye.